Hi ladies, well we're back again and I said I'd be showing you some more labels. So as promised, I've got some on the reel here that we're going to go through today. Now remember, there's lots more in the shop when you come in. This is just to give you some ideas to get you started. So we've got a new label in this season for us called Alison Sherry, and they do the most amazing jumpers and sort of long cardigans and things like that, and they've been received very well in the shop. You'll see them online, and if you don't want to miss your chance to get your size, then you've got to come and see us. So we're starting on here. We've got a lovely long cardigan in the red and black with pockets, and underneath we've popped just a little, what we call a second skin, which is really useful. You can pop under lots of different pieces that you have you know, on the rail here. And I've matched it up with a pair of the rib-cuff trousers. Now these are the staple basics that they always do, absolutely fantastic. Deep waistbands on them. This one has a little side split at the bottom, as you can see, and we also have another one which has a back split, but they're all pull on. Again, comfort is the name of the game, so that's the ones that we have there. And just at the bottom you can see we've got some of our new shoes, boots in there as well. We've just put in sort of the black and the navy and the red just for you to get an idea of what we've got there. So we'll change it out, ladies, and this is one of their other jumpers that they have. You can see the really nice button detail on the side there of the collar and down the sleeve. It's like almost like a cable knit, but it's nice. I think it comes in a soft blue as well. There we have it there. So you could change this out and pop it on here along with your black trouser if you want to. And if it's a little bit chilly, then bring in one of their other long cardigans that they have in the black and white. There's a little button detail down the sleeve, as you can see, and it also has the pockets. It's an edge to edge, really, really lovely. If you don't like wearing big heavy coats and things like this, and you want something just to throw on over the top, it's smart, it's stylish, and it's not too heavy to wear. And you could pop that one over as well. And don't forget, ladies, just because I'm showing you in the black and white, you can pop a colour underneath as well. So you could change that out for a pink jumper, a blue jumper, or a red jumper. There are other ones to see as well. And likewise with this one as well, great print on there. You can see down the sleeve as I go, you've got the stripe detail down the side. It is a zip through. There are pockets on both sides as well. Really, really lovely piece. Wear it on its own, or again, as I said, you could pop something underneath it to wear as well. How smart is that? There's no effort in this dressing, it's just great, and you always look really, really nice and smart with it. Now they also do a jacket. So here we have a lovely jacket. I'll just come in closer so my colleague can let you see the detailing on there. You've got your gold button details and on the pockets, and they are active pockets. Yes, they are. There is a pocket there. I'm saying active pockets, but there is a pocket there. So a lovely little jacket you can pop over your jeans or the black trouser if you prefer, that we have there. And as you can try and imagine, a little white top underneath. So we're just going to move on from the Alison Sherry and just jump into a little bit of something else. This is Frank Lyman, one of their basic tops. Again, they come in different colours, little v-neck, double chiffon on the side there. So you can pop that on underneath this one if you want. But the reason I've got it is because I've got a lovely new jacket by Joseph Ribkoff. Look at that for a pop of colour. Isn't that fantastic? So you could wear it every day, you could wear it for something special. But if you pop it up again on the grid, you can see it there. Oops. There's the little black top underneath. But as I said, you could pick out the green instead and put a bit more colour through it if you wanted to. Or if you want something self-coloured, they do a fantastic long line jacket, edge to edge, that you have here. It's got the turn up on the sleeve, and you can see the detail across the back there. Pop it over anything. Pop it over a top, put it with a pair of jeans, pop it with a pair of dress trousers that we have here. Or you could pop it over a dress even if you wanted to as well. Whoopsie daisy, I'll just grab the little black top underneath. These hangers do like to fight with me. But that's it, the little black top underneath. How smart is that? And if you like red, as I do, we've got little red boots that we've got down there as well, just a little bit dressier. Okay, so we'll have that one there. And then we'll pop back to the Alison Sherry again. I know one of the girls in the shop absolutely loves this jumper. Look how cosy that is. So soft, nice and cozy, really nice soft blue and the beige. It's just absolutely lovely. And you can team it up with the trousers if you wish. You can team it up with various jeans. So we've got the Rebel jeans that we have here. and they do come in different coloured denim. Again, a great stretch on them. I'm just going to grab the leg here if I may, just to let you see how comfortable is that going to be wearing when you've got those on. There's no zips, there's no buttons. These ones have a pocket detail on the back because these are the Bella ones. But absolutely brilliant. That's just a great casual outfit for you there with the dark denim. This is the light denim if you prefer. So you can see the different colour denims that you can pick out to choose for yourself. And again, you can go back into, oh no, I think we've missed out the Rebels. Here we go. So you all know the Rebels that we have. They come in all sorts of length, all sorts of colours. Again, elasticated waists, pockets at the back. These are the Bella 09s with the cuff detail at the bottom. And again, it just creates another look. And as I always say, you want to mix and match your wardrobe to create different looks, ladies, for when you're away and things. Absolutely brilliant. I think there's another one slipped in here. That's the navy rib cuff trouser, which comes in black. Now, this one has got the back split, and the one I showed you before has the side split. So if you've got a lady, if you've got a nice heel, you want to show that off, then that's a really nice trouser for you as well. Or maybe just pop the jeans back. And I'll show you another one of the Arthur Sherry jumpers that we've got there. It's got a really lovely detail down the front, almost like your cable knit that you've seen, and I think it comes in another colourway as well, but you'll see them all online, so don't forget to look, and don't forget to come and see us as well. And you've got the roll neck there as well, so you can pop that one on there. Or we can have a few shades of blue. We have this one here with the block colours and the little pocket detail that you have there. Now you can see in there you've got different shades of blue. You could get your off-white, your greys, your blacks, all mixed and matched together with that jumper there. Now look at that, just changes the look straight away. Okay, and we'll just add in a few of our rib cuff pieces as well, ladies, a little bit dressier. And if you keep following the videos, you'll see different things we're going to show you as well that might interest you. So this is a beautiful one that's just come in from Joseph Ribcoff. Look at the pleating detail on that skirt. Isn't that fantastic? It's quite a good length as well. It's got the chiffon detail on the sleeve, and this is a little scarf piece that you can pop around your neck if you wish. Crossover detail there. If it was a little bit chillier, there's nothing to stop you putting a little cami underneath that as well and wearing it with boots and making it a little bit more casual. But as soon as you pop your heels on, then it becomes quite dressy. So we'll pop it up there for a second so my colleague can let you see that in more detail while I grab another one. Okay. There. And then this one is beautiful. Look at the colour of this. Isn't this fantastic? Now this could be for an evening out, it could be for a wedding. You know, there's lots of different occasions that you could wear this piece. I think it's just slightly off the shoulder. There we go. You can see it there. It's absolutely gorgeous, and you've got the sort of diamante detail around the buckle there as well. But so easy to wear. It does have a back zip, but it's just one of my favourite colours. Let's face it, I like lots of colour. And then we go back to the red. Oh, I beg your pardon. So that colleague's just zooming in there. So round neck, long sleeves, little detail on the buckle there that you have. It's just this is actually an illusion one. It almost looks like it wants to have a crossover there, but it's actually illusion there. But you can see the dip on the hem as well, asymmetrical there, so it just gives a little bit of interest, something a little bit different, but nice and light, easy to put in your suitcase if you're going away. No ironing involved, you know, music to our ears. It's a great dress. Pop a little bit of gold heels on maybe for Christmas time. You got your Christmas red. And then we have this one here as well. This has come in different colours in the past. So they do the black edging on there. It's rib cuff as well. The tie detail, you can tie it in different ways to suit yourselves. But a lovely little dress that you can dress up and dress down again. Pop a little wee black jacket over it if you wish. So, and that's everything I'm going to show you today there on, ladies. Just one last thing. You can see that I've got something on just now. So you need to follow the videos to find out more about these one. But this is our Dolcezza this season. Great little A-line jacket, as you can see. Lovely colours, and underneath I've got a little top that goes with it, and I've matched that with the pair of the Nina Rebels that have the zip at the side and the little zip detail there. So follow us for more. As I said, you can find everything online. Phone us on 01330 825 655. We look forward to seeing you all soon with some more pieces to excite you. Thank you.